Mastering Quality Scorecards Development. Only leaders who align quality scorecards with organizational goals will reap operational excellence. Who is responsible for ensuring that the purpose of developing a quality scorecard aligns with our organization's overall goals and objectives? And what specific benefits can we expect to achieve by integrating this tool into our operational excellence strategy? The quest for operational excellence through quality scorecards. It's a journey I've embarked upon with numerous organizations, and I must say, it's a wild ride. Let me take you through a case study that illustrates the importance of aligning your quality scorecard development with your organization's overall goals and objectives. Meet MedTech Incorporated, a mid-sized medical device manufacturer struggling to maintain consistency in their product quality. The management team was keenly aware that their current quality control processes were reactive, resulting in costly rework, wasted resources, and a damaged reputation in the market. They knew they needed a proactive approach to quality management, and that's where the concept of a quality scorecard came in. As we sat down to develop the quality scorecard, I emphasized the importance of aligning it with MedTech Incorporated's overall goals and objectives. We began by revisiting their organizational strategy and identifying the key performance indicators, KPIs, that would have the greatest impact on their business. It wasn't about creating a scorecard for the sake of having one, it was about designing a tool that would drive meaningful change. We started by establishing a cross-functional team comprising representatives from various departments, including quality assurance, production, engineering, and customer service. This team was tasked with identifying the most critical quality metrics that would influence their operational excellence strategy. Through a series of workshops and brainstorming sessions, we narrowed down the list to 5 key areas: product reliability, customer satisfaction, defect density, supply chain performance, and employee training. Next, we defined specific targets for each metric, ensuring they were measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. For instance, we set a target to reduce defect density by 30% within the next 6 months. To make these targets more impactful, we assigned weights to each metric based on their relative importance to the organization. Product reliability, for instance, was given a higher weightage due to its direct impact on customer satisfaction and business reputation. Now, here's where things got interesting. As we began to track and analyze the data, we discovered areas where MedTech Incorporated's current processes were misaligned with their overall goals. For example, their quality control team was incentivized to prioritize speed over quality, which led to a higher defect rate. We realized that their performance metrics needed a complete overhaul to encourage a culture of quality excellence. To address this, we redesigned the performance metrics to focus on quality-driven outcomes rather than just output. We introduced a balanced scorecard approach, where individual performance was linked to the organization's overall objectives. This shift in mindset was crucial in driving accountability and encouraging employees to take ownership of quality. Throughout this process, I could sense the skepticism and frustration among some team members. There were concerns about the additional workload, the complexity of the scorecard, and the perceived lack of control. I empathized with their concerns, but I also knew that this temporary discomfort was a necessary step towards achieving operational excellence. Fast forward 6 months, and the results were astounding. MedTech Incorporated had achieved a 28% reduction in defect density, a 25% increase in customer satisfaction, and a 20% reduction in supply chain costs. The quality control team was now proactively identifying and addressing quality issues, and employee engagement had improved significantly. What did we learn from this experience? Firstly, that developing a quality scorecard is not a trivial task. It requires a deep understanding of the organization's overall goals and objectives, as well as a willingness to challenge existing processes and mindsets. Secondly, that a well-designed scorecard can be a powerful catalyst for change, driving operational excellence and business success. As I reflect on this journey, I'm reminded that operational excellence is not just about implementing tools and processes, it's about creating a culture that values quality, accountability, and continuous improvement. And that, my friends, is the greatest benefit of all. Ensuring that the purpose of developing a quality scorecard aligns with the organization's overall goals and objectives is a critical responsibility that falls on the shoulders of top-level management, specifically the CEO, Operational Excellence, OpEx team, and Quality Management team. These stakeholders must collaborate to guarantee that the quality scorecard development process is driven by the organization's strategic objectives, focusing on areas that have the greatest impact on business performance. The primary objective of developing a quality scorecard is to create a data-driven framework that measures, tracks, and improves the overall quality performance of the organization. By doing so, the organization can expect to achieve several specific benefits by integrating this tool into its operational excellence strategy, including 1. Improved quality performance. A quality scorecard provides a clear, concise, and transparent way to measure quality performance, enabling the organization to identify areas for improvement, set targets, and track progress towards achieving them. 2. Enhanced customer satisfaction. By focusing on quality metrics that matter most to customers, the organization can increase customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention, ultimately driving revenue growth and competitive advantage. 3. Increased efficiency and productivity. A quality scorecard helps identify and eliminate waste, reduce variability, and optimize processes, leading to increased efficiency, productivity, and cost savings. 4. Data-driven decision-making. The quality scorecard provides actionable insights, enabling data-driven decision-making and facilitating the allocation of resources to areas that have the greatest impact on quality performance. 5. Reduced risk and compliance. By monitoring and controlling quality metrics, the organization can reduce the risk of non-compliance, errors, and defects, ensuring that products or services meet regulatory requirements and industry standards. 6. Improved employee engagement and accountability. A quality scorecard promotes a culture of quality, encouraging employee engagement, accountability, and ownership, as individuals and teams are empowered to make improvements and take pride in their work. 7. Better supply chain management. By extending the quality scorecard to suppliers and partners, the organization can ensure that raw materials, components, or services meet quality standards, reducing the risk of supply chain disruptions and improving overall quality performance. 8. Competitive advantage. Organizations that effectively utilize quality scorecards can differentiate themselves from competitors, demonstrating a commitment to quality, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement. To ensure the successful development and integration of the quality scorecard, top-level management must establish clear goals and objectives for the quality scorecard development process. Define key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics that align with the organization's strategic objectives. Assign ownership and responsibility for quality scorecard development and maintenance. Provide necessary resources, training, and support for quality scorecard development and implementation. Foster a culture of quality, encouraging employee engagement, accountability, and continuous improvement. Establish a regular review and revision process to ensure the quality scorecard remains relevant, effective, and aligned with changing business needs and objectives. By doing so, the organization can harness the full potential of the quality scorecard, driving operational excellence and achieving sustainable business success.